The Community Emergency Response Guide, or CERG, is a companion document to Fairfax County's Emergency Operations Plan, EOP, made for residents that outlines strategies communities can take to support themselves in the event of a disaster or emergency. The guide will help educate your community on the personal responsibility of preparedness by outlining key preparedness activities and response actions using the concept of neighbors helping neighbors. By using this concept, neighborhoods and communities will be able to sustain themselves in a disaster until county services and outside support can be obtained. Become familiar with your neighborhood by understanding the hazards that are the most likely to affect your area. Use the information you gathered to make your neighborhood's plan using the 5 Steps to Neighborhood Preparedness Guide. So where can you find a copy of the Community Emergency Response Guide? You can find it on the Fairfax County Office of Emergency Management webpage, fairfaxcounty.gov/emergency management. Take personal responsibility today by finding out how neighbor can help neighbor and how to help guide your community towards reliance in the case of a disaster.